There are many ways to make a woman think about you non-stop. Some are more effective than others, and some are more indirect. However, if you want to be the man that women can't get enough of, you need to employ all of the techniques we will talk about in this video. In today's modern society, we often take the simplest way out when it comes to relationships. However, if you want to be able to really connect with a person, you need to be willing to put in the work and pay your dues. So if you're ready to make a woman think about you non-stop, here are a few ways to do it. Number 1. Be confident. One of the most important things you can do to make a woman think about you non-stop is to be confident. Women are attracted to self-assured men, and they will be more likely to obsess over you if you project confidence. So work on your confidence and make sure that you are self-assured and in control. Be careful though, there is a fine line between being confident and being arrogant. You don't want to come across as pompous or conceited. Just be sure of yourself and your abilities, and let that come through in your interactions with others. Number 2. Be captivating and exciting. If you want to make a woman attracted to you, you need to be someone that she finds captivating and exciting. One of the best ways to do this is to keep things fresh and new. Don't just talk about the same old things all the time. Be sure to venture out and try new things. This will make you more captivating and exciting to be around, and she'll start to see you in a different light. You should also be sure to have your own hobbies and interests. Women are attracted to men who are well-rounded and have their own lives outside of the relationship. So if you want to make her drawn to you, be sure to have your own things going on. Number 3. Create a strong emotional connection. One of the best ways to make a woman obsess over you is to connect with her on an emotional level. Women are emotional creatures, and by connecting with them emotionally, you'll be able to make a deep connection with them. The easiest way to do this is to find something you have in common. Once you've found something that you both connect with, you'll be able to have deeper conversations and she'll start to feel closer to you. The better you are at emotional intelligence, the easier it will be for you to make a woman interested in you. So be sure to focus on your emotional intelligence, and continue to develop this skill. You need to be able to see the world through her eyes if you want to make her attracted to you. Using some psycho-emotional techniques can get almost any woman to think about you non-stop. Number 4. Give her plenty of space. One of the things that women can't stand the most is when a man is too clingy. If you're always calling, texting and trying to be around her, she'll quickly lose interest in you. Women need lots of space, and if you can give her the space she needs, she'll be more likely to want to be around you. By making yourself less available, you'll naturally be more attractive in her eyes. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't contact her at all, however it does mean that you should give her some time to miss you. Regrettably, this is something that many men have a difficult time doing. They can't control their urge to constantly be around the woman they are attracted to, and they end up driving her away. Women enjoy a challenge, and if you can be a little bit more mysterious, she'll be more likely to be intrigued by you. So don't be afraid to play hard to get. It may seem counterproductive, however it's actually one of the best things you can do to make a woman think about you non-stop. But be careful not to take it too far. You don't want to come across as detached or uninterested. Just be a little bit more mysterious than the average guy in order to stimulate her interest. Number 5. Compliment her in a clever way. Compliments are a perfect way to make a woman feel good about herself, and if you compliment her in a clever way, she'll start to melt. However, you need to be cautious with your compliments. You don't want to come across as disingenuous or fake. A great way to compliment a woman is to focus on her intellect or sense of humor. Women are often self-conscious about their intelligence, so by complimenting her mindset, you'll make her feel great about herself, and she'll be more likely to feel attracted to you. Number 6. Show your intelligent side. Intelligence is alluring, there's no doubt about that. However, many men make the mistake of trying to show off their intelligence in a way that comes across as self-important or overbearing. Remember, it's not about impressing her, it's about showing her that you're a man of intelligence and substance. So be certain to show your intelligence in a confident and laid-back way. This should come naturally to you if you're an honestly intelligent person. While it's important to be intelligent, you don't want to come across as all-knowing. This is a big turn-off, and it will actually have the opposite effect. Just relax and be yourself. Let your intelligence shine through naturally and she'll be drawn to it. Be sure also to show her your playful side. Women love men who can make them laugh, and by being playful, you'll show her that you're not just another boring guy. Be yourself and let her get to know the real you. Number 7. Be ambitious. Women are attracted to ambitious men, so if you're working towards something, whether it's a career or a personal goal, be sure to let her know. Women will admire your dedication and determination, and they will be more likely to obsess over you if you're working towards something. Often we can get caught up in our own lives and forget to include others. However, if you want to make a woman think about you non-stop, it's important to include her in your plans. Let her know what you're working on and ask for her opinion. She'll appreciate that you value her opinion and will be more likely to feel special. Number 8. Stay on top of your physical appearance. This one should be pretty obvious, however it's still worth mentioning. Women are attracted to men who take care of their physical appearance. This doesn't mean that you need to be a supermodel, however it does mean that you should make an effort to look tidy. Be sure to groom yourself properly and dress well. Women will take notice if you're not taking care of yourself, which will definitely turn him off. So be sure to put some sort of an effort into your physical appearance and you'll start to see the results in your interactions with women. You don't need to do this for the sake of impressing a woman, you should do this for yourself. Women are just a bonus. This should define your standards, and you should never change them for someone else. Number 9. Touch her in an intimate way. Touch is a powerful thing, and if you can touch her in a meaningful way, you'll be able to make her feel a deep connection with you. When talking to her, be sure to touch her arm or shoulder. The more you pay attention to her nonverbal cues, the more likely you are to be able to touch her in a way that will make her feel connected to you. However, be careful because if you touch her too much, she may start to feel uncomfortable. There is a fine line between appropriate and creepy touching, so be sure to pay attention to her body language, as this will help you figure out how much is too much. Number 10. Keep her guessing. One thing that seems to work well when courting a woman that you like is keeping things new and exciting, so that she never understands what your next move is. This doesn't mean that you should act completely unstable, since women are innately more guarded and cautious about being around a guy who's potentially threatening or dangerous. If you want her to think about you non-stop, then it shouldn't take too long before she begins wondering why you aren't pursuing her harder. However, by the time she starts trying to figure out your motives, she'll have already invested some time into getting closer with you. So try not to mess up whatever chances you might still have by making things way too difficult. You should only consider keeping her guessing if everything else is already progressing positively. However, if all else fails, then it might be worth taking a chance, since you can never go wrong with keeping things random and unpredictable.